The following video is sponsored by W Energy Powder for Gamers. Use code Treyblowski10 for 10% off your order at w.gg. Salutations, Treyblowski Nation! Welcome back to another Treyblowski video. We're playing Express-orcist. I've had this in my files for a long time. Exorcisms in 30 minutes or your next one's on us. Welcome, new Express-orcist employee. Unfortunately, new employee orientation has been canceled because the trainer was possessed. Fortunately, all the information you need to do your job is in the Book of Exorcisms at your work desk. Unfortunately, a naughty spirit has possessed the waiting room speakers, so we can't turn off the music. Work hours are strictly from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Seriously, we cut the power at 5. When you're ready, just hit the desk button and a client will be brought in. Try and meet your quota every day if you want to impress the higher-ups. But make sure to minimize your whoopsies. Employee evaluations are in 5 days. Okay. Body. Person whose body is possessed will experience a green bubbling around their heads. This is pox of the demon afflicting the host. Incoherent gibberish. Soul smoldering. Heart appears to be oozing blood. Heart requires dagger. Body needs salve. Mind needs scroll of cleansing. And soul needs a potion. Whoopsie doodle. Handy chart to identify which combination of curatives and possessions results in a whoopsie. Okay. Green bubbling, oozing blood. So that's body, which is salve, and dagger. Guessing you are the salve. And now, the dagger. Yay! Oh! Whoops. Wait, did I get something wrong? Oh, heart is the blood coming out of the head. 1 exorcism, 1 whoopsies. They expect us to get 10 in a day? Well, that's just not a realistic standard. Up, green bubbling. What is green bubbling? Oh, that would have been the salve. Wow, I'm stupid. Smoldering. Potion. That's not working. Oh, that was the salve. Oh. Scroll. Ah, we still didn't meet our quota. That's disappointing. Mind. Heart. This one doesn't tell me what the blue is. Inversion. Some more tricky demons will invert the exorcism ritual. Generally, possessed will have a blue aura indicating demonic inversion. In this case, beware that the cure will now cause a whoopsie, and items caused a whoopsie now cure. Oh wait, I was supposed to pay attention to this? Nothing is working. Ooh, we get a -1. Okay. Oh. I sound like a Banjo-Kazooie character. Oh. We are screwing up again. Ah! Wait. Okay. Can you blame me if the chart is purposefully confusing? -3. Wait. We're back to what I know. Or not. Hang on, Alright. Wait, no, we don't do that. Yeah, that one didn't even have the thing around him. Exorcist level Astafastafastaf. 0 of 5 quotas. Wow. I think we were worse than the Pope's exorcist. Once around again, shall we? It is a bad time for my memory problems to come back. Maybe I'm supposed to do some uncertain... It's that chart, I know it is, that... There's stuff I'm not doing in the correct order. Oh. That's the downside to this time limit. If it wasn't for the time limit, then I could take time to look at the book and double check who gets what to fix what. But I guess that's where the challenge comes from. Would I not met? It's so weird that sometimes the game won't let you do an oopsie. Yeah, I think we got a rhythm now. At least the quota was met that day. Still can't get these inversions right. Oh man. There's an order to this. These inversions slip us up big time. Quota not met. Oh, that was the potion. Wish that diagram wasn't so confusing. Then I could remember it, and I wouldn't keep making this mistake. Okay, I thought that was the opposite of that. I guess I was wrong. We are still terrible, terrible, terrible exorcists. Well, that was Express-orcist. We failed to save a lot of souls. I guess I'm going to be excommunicated. But if you like the video, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel, Treyblowski. Be sure to check out my friend Isaac's channel, Isaac and Friends. He does stuff. Don't forget, you have 3 different ways you can support us. You can become a YouTube member. You can become a Patreon, both of which get you access to exclusive. I can't talk today. Both of them get you access to exclusive content, and you can also support us by buying our merch. By buying merch at our merch store. I'm pretty sure Spring. No, not we don't use Spring anymore. I'm pretty sure Spreadshirt's not going to let you just buy their website. So have a good day, there. Oh, cannot talk today. Have a good day, Treyblowski Nation. 1600 strong and growing.